How to replace a spark plug on a 2001 Toyota Highlander. This one here is a 3.0 liter. And the front one's obviously simple, the back one's a little bit difficult. Now what I have here, I've already done the front one there, but you have that engine cover on top of there, and you'll have a couple bolts that it screws into. Then right here somewhere there'll be that Toyota logo. The little things here I think are like the, not the Torx, but the other type bit. It's a 3/16 bit on it. Then you want to get those bolts loose here. Then the Toyota emblem, you just basically unscrew it like you're just unscrewing a bolt. Alright, so here's the engine cover here that I'm talking about. Got the bolts right there. I don't think it'll show up too clear on it. You got the three there, and this one here, you just turn this counterclockwise until the whole engine cover comes off. Alright, now what I did here, yours have a cruise control most likely. I disconnected this. I took a wrench to it right here where it will tighten up on it, and you will have a bracket here. The screw that holds it in is a 13 millimeter, I believe it is. 13 or 12. I believe it's a 12 millimeter there. So what I did, took the cable off first, and this runs right along here. You can see right where it goes into. Basically you'd have it the opposite way that I have it going, so you'd want to have it going this way, line it up, and all you gotta do is pull it out and just move it out of your way. Now like I said, I took the bracket off for it to be easy for me, so I can reach my tiny little hands back behind there. Now right here you can see one ignition coil. Then back here, right where this bolt is, there's another one here. Then you'll have another one right down here, right where my finger's pointing at. Right there's the ignition coil for the sixth one, I believe it is. Now right now, I've already done, like I said, these three here. Really easy. And I got this one here, off and out. And I got this one off here, off and out. Now what I had to do, there's an engine ground. I don't think I can get a good thing onto it, but that is, I believe, a 10 millimeter, and I took my ratchet wrench onto it and broke it loose. Took the wire off of the engine, therefore I can move the ignition coil, because the wire is what's keeping the ignition coil from coming out. People was going to say, yes, this was kind of hard to do or impossible. I was able to do this one here fairly easy. This one here was a little bit harder. I haven't done this side yet here, so I'm still trying to figure out on how I'm going to get to this last one here. Might just reach my hand all the way back there as far as it can to get it loose. So hope this video helps you out on changing your spark plugs. Thanks for watching.